Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over how you can get a channel trailer onto your YouTube channel. Now many of you have YouTube channels and do not have a channel trailer, and it's not because you didn't want to have one, it's because you didn't know how to add one on, just like myself. Or many of you posted your first video and you think that's your channel trailer, and it is not your channel trailer. You just probably didn't know that. So anyway, currently, I still don't have a channel trailer, and that's all going to change today, and I'll tell you why. Well, it happens to be, while snooping around YouTube and trying to learn on my own, I actually came across the YouTube channel trailer edition. So it's actually pretty cool. So here, I'm going to show you exactly how you could add a channel trailer to your YouTube channel, because understand this, YouTube channel trailers are actually good when you're getting new subscribers. They get to get a preview of what your channel is all about. So it's really important that you have one. I mean, it could be the difference between a slow growth and a quick one, you know, getting a lot of subscribers. So while you're listening to me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I'd really appreciate it, and you'll continue to get great content from me, whether it's do-it-yourself or tutorials, or even film editing, which I do enjoy doing, and I'll be doing short films very soon. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. And mind you, I came across it today, so I'll be also doing my, working on my, my channel trailer today as well. So I'm pretty excited about this, because I've been looking for that shit for a while, and I finally came across it by accident. So long and behold, here we go. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so let me go to the YouTube. Alright, so basically you're going to go up here, okay? Right up here to your YouTube. Actually, that's not my channel, it's my son's channel. So I'm going to switch accounts real quick, okay? I do want to go to mine. You see, I'm at 150. I appreciated the subscribership, you know, so subscribe to my channel again. I really will appreciate it, and you get some good stuff. So if you try looking on YouTube to how to add a channel trailer, they teach you how to make one, but how to add it, you ain't gonna find it anywhere. Just here. So let's get started. Anyway, so click on your icon. Then you're gonna go to your channel right here. From your channel, you're gonna go to Customize Channel right here. You're gonna go to the left side of your screen like this, and here it goes. See that? Channel trailer. So it's actually under customization. So if you wanted to, like, let's just say you wanted to go to your videos, right? And look at your video, you just finished posting one, right? So you're going to go here and you're going to scroll down to customizations. Okay. And here it is. See? Channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. You want to add, click on it, you know, make your video. Add that, and then boom, voila, there you go. You got your channel trailer, which is actually pretty darn cool. And like I said, I couldn't find, maybe I passed it, maybe I didn't see it, but I really doubt that. But yeah, there it is. And featured video for returning, believe it or not, I didn't even know how to do that. But anyway, here it is. Right underneath that, you're going to see featured video. So I changed my featured video because, like I said, I like editing. So this is actually a pretty good video. You might want to check it out. So, you're going to go right below, and right there is going to be featured video. You're going to add that on. So it's like the first video people will see. They'll see your work, and they'll be like, holy shit, that looks really good. You know, so for the channel trailer, remember, it's really important that you add a channel trailer to your channel. I mean, I can't emphasize how important that is, because like I said, it's kind of like before they show a YouTube series or a Netflix series, like The Order or something like that, or, you know, Game of Thrones, or whatever, you know, The Walking Dead, they actually give you a trailer about what it's about, and either you get hooked or you don't. So that's why it's important to have one, because once you see a trailer, you're like, oh my god, this is really good stuff, and then you're going to want to watch it. So don't forget that. I hope this video really helped you out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Really, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Comment, you know, I said that before. Comment below. Make sure to like this video. Again, press that notification bell for more videos. And like I said, I'll be having videos each and every week. Sorry about this week. I'm just having some issues, you know, family issues. My dad is sick, and I'm like really worried about him, so I can't really concentrate. That's why I'm going in circles here. So I just thought I'd just throw this on, because I'm trying to get my mind off of it. And anyway, I appreciate the prayers if anybody hears this video, because my dad is not in good shape, and it's really messed me up. Anyway, thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Be safe. And tell your loved ones how much you love them. Don't ever forget that, okay? It's really important. So if you hear this, make sure you tell your loved ones each and every day you love them. No matter what differences you may have, how angry you were with them. That wasn't the case with me and my dad. But I'm just saying for anyone, make sure you tell your loved ones. Because one day they're here and the next day they're not. And don't regret it. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm really having some issues. Alright, thank you so much. And I hope this helped you out. Alright. God bless you all.